Hello everyone, welcome to Kelvin and Watts. Today we are here to address a very basic and very common problem while selecting the good lights, that is the price point. So while showcasing the lights to our clients, usually people ask us why is your light expensive and the other lights are economic. So today we are here to answer all of those basic common questions. For example, the most important part in a lighting fixture is its heat sink. It is useful to dissipate the heat out of the fixture which is generated by the LED chip. So the heat sinks which are used in our lighting fixtures are technologically advanced, made of pure aluminum alloy, which is very good for bringing out the heat which is being generated by LED chip. Secondly, we are using the metal reflectors. The reflectors in our lights is purely of metal with electroplated with multiple finishes which comes in black, white or gunmetal. Thirdly, the lens which is there to maintain the accurate beam angle and the output throw of the light. So this is the most crucial part of the lighting fixture, and this should be of very good quality to have a optimum quality of lights. Fourth is the power supply, which also plays a crucial role in the output of light, and as there should be a balanced permutation and combination between the input required by LED chip and the output being generated by the power supply. So the life and the durability of burning hours of a lighting fixture is totally dependent upon the combination of LED chip and power supply. Both of them should be good and qualitatively best. In last, not least, is the modularity of the light. For example, its modular opening, tiltable functionalities, all of these things make light a premium one. So I hope this is knowledgeable thing for all of us for selecting our best lights. Thank you and have a nice day.